Dogelon Mars by and large is as of now esteemed at $0.0000001555125 Dogelon Mars cost examination, especially as negative today in a for the most part huge manner. Elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which sort of is very critical. Elon's most certainly intraday volume by and large stands at $1,078,656 in an all things considered enormous way. 16 November 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense, got clarification on some things, facts, what especially is essentially momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars. Most certainly is Elon a truly wise interest in a sort of significant manner. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they especially thought. In any case, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Elon specialized examination, certainly let us fundamentally discuss the sort of current economic situations. So 16 November 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Dogelon Mars cost investigation for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, generally got clarification on some things, facts, what truly is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, most certainly is Elon an excellent venture, which basically is genuinely critical. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,427,308,625, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume all things considered, remains at $71,570,298,442 in a quite huge way. Bitcoin shares 50.95% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they explicitly thought. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,187.91 level after a vertical development of 2.76%, showing how 16 November 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters. Attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is especially transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, fundamentally is Elon and in every way that really matters, wise venture, which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 2.24%, coming to $2,056.88 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.27, following a value change of 1.06% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.21 and as of now exchanging at 64 cents in a truly significant manner. Moreover, Solana came to $63.88 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.46% in esteem in a kind of huge way. These occasions truly show that the market especially is going in a genuinely descending heading for genuinely momentary and a genuinely enormous manner. As of now, and in every practical sense, general kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they for the most part thought. Dogelon Mars execution. The truly day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars truly shows that the Elon cost truly has a by and large descending development, with a 2.51% decline in truly beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin basically is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how market examination over the last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,427,308,625, which by and large is very huge. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume especially is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars, or so they in a real sense thought. Who explicitly are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars in an essentially significant manner. Very much like generally is the situation for its by and large more noticeable and kind of additional laid-out cousins, the pioneers behind this truly specific canine coin fundamentally are truly obscure in a really significant manner. That certainly is to some degree a truly normal event for image coins, and financial backers sort of are very much encouraged pretty because of an expected level of effort with generally secret coins to generally try not to succumb to malevolent practices like mat pulls and leave tricks. So, elon sort of has been available for extremely a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, which explicitly shows that elon's really intraday volume truly remains at $1,078,656, or so they for the most part thought. What in a real sense makes Dogelon Mars exceptional, which basically is very critical. Dogelon Mars explicitly utilizes a silly most certainly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin in a genuinely large manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his really goes through the stars. Kind of a few short comics in a real sense are distributed on the coin's site that in a real sense follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he generally meets companions and goes on experiences, exhibiting that what explicitly makes Dogelon Mars commonly exceptional in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't generally have a guide essentially, however rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, so Dogelon Mars doesn't actually have a guide fundamentally, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics in an exceptionally large manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will in every practical sense need to battle for truly endurance against the annihilators in every way that really matters, further appearance how who for the most part are the originators behind Dogelon Mars, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. This fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin especially is recorded on all very significant trades, the cost of elon will generally reach Mars, or, in beautiful different words, it will exchange at a very much most certainly higher valuation, a quite huge way. Notwithstanding, annihilators, by which the instability of the crypto markets could explicitly be implied, will generally be an issue the local area will basically need to battle against, or so they truly thought. Practically speaking, elon really is an image coin without genuinely much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, which essentially is very critical. Nonetheless, taking into account it really has a powerful mix of especially a few exceptionally memeable credits in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars, Dogelon Mars could for the most part light quickly if the genuinely by and large cryptographic money market appreciates and the gamble craving for image coins expansions in an extremely huge manner. How truly numerous Dogelon Mars, Elon, coins sort of are there available for use in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of all-out supply of elon sort of is 1 quadrillion, in every practical sense, further appearance, how XRP the genuinely local coin of XRP truly is up by 0.21 and presently exchanging at 64 cents, certainly as opposed